Welcome, dear soul. Find a quiet, comfortable space to sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Feel your body begin to soften. With each breath, let the outside world fade away. Begin to notice your breath. Inhale, calm. Exhale, tension. With each breath, imagine drawing in peaceful energy and releasing what no longer serves you. Affirm softly in your mind. With every breath, I become calmer and calmer. Bring gentle attention to the top of your head. Imagine a warm golden light touching it, relaxing every muscle. Slowly, this light flows down, relaxing your face, your neck, your shoulders. Feel the tension melting away. Now, this golden light moves down your arms and hands, your chest, your belly, your back, down through your legs, all the way to your feet and toes. Your whole body is bathed in warmth and peace. Affirm. I release tension. I am safe. I am at peace. Thoughts may come and go, and that's okay. Imagine each thought as a cloud passing through a blue sky. You don't have to follow it, just watch it drift away. Bring your awareness back to your breath, the steady rhythm of in and out. Affirm. I am present. I am still. I am enough. Imagine standing in a peaceful garden. The air is warm. The breeze is gentle. You feel safe, supported, and whole. Notice the colors, the soft sounds, the light. Let this peaceful energy fill every part of you. Affirm silently. Peace flows through me. Calm lives within me. Allow your breath to be slow and steady. You are calm. You are centered. You are deeply relaxed. Allow yourself to simply be. No need to do anything. No need to change anything. Just breathe and rest in this deep, quiet stillness. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Notice your breath again. Notice the surface beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one last deep, nourishing breath. And as you exhale, gently return to the present moment. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this calm energy with you into the rest of your day. You are peaceful. You are strong. You are enough. Thank you for meditating. Subscribe to Eternal Tree Ace for more peaceful moments.